Today is July 14th, 2011. Here I am at the Corniche farm in Dubai at the Jatropha plantation, and the Jatropha has come up to this height, which is 3 feet from the ground. Now this plantation that we are growing, you can see that these trees that are growing here in this plantation are growing at a phenomenal speed. These trees are now, all of these trees are getting bigger and bigger every day, and these Jatropha saplings in Dubai, I hope that we keep continuing this process and see from there to there are 134 plants that we have grown, and I am so happy to be here in Dubai, and this is like right now the time is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and today is Thursday, and I'm standing here in this Jatropha plantation that we are monitoring, and there is no fertilizer or anything, just this desert land, and in this desert land with this drip irrigation system that we are doing, these Jatropha plantations are growing like unbelievable. So with the size of these leaves, if I start giving fertilizers, then this will become, now I am going to put fertilizers in these and measure the growth of these plants. This is something which I have this belief that we can make this desert green. The leaves are so clean, green and lush that these with the encouragement from Dar Capital and with Amplex Capital and with the grower of this place that is working with me on this growth of Jatropha, we can eliminate or reduce the price, and we want to grow this and give this oil here to RTA so that RTA can use these come here, see these leaves that are sprouting are really extraordinarily good, and the thickness of this stem that you're seeing here is that each time it grows bigger and bigger. And now we are going to prune the leaves from below, and we are going to transplant these saplings to an open space where we will have them planted at 5 feet apart, and we are going to grow from ground to 7 feet and from 7 feet to 14 feet. So we can get more saplings per acre, and the use for RTA is about 1.3 million liters, 1.3 million gallons of diesel oil, which we can supply here from the UAE area for RTA, the trucks, the army, the buses, the pumping stations that they are using to pump the water out of this. So all of this will be a local indigenous growth of these plants and this Jatropha. Just look at this size of this sapling. And my guys here, Waqas and Zia and Mustafa, they are monitoring the growth of these plants, and hopefully we should have a whole forest. I'm working to put up 1,000 acres next step to grow these here in UAE. So with the cooperation of the local people, I would like the government to get involved, and the various Ministry of Agriculture, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Defense, all of these, and the transport agencies to get involved in the growth of biodiesel in UAE. Thank you.